Unbelievable.
Just listen to that wind. Oh, I hope Jacob isn't caught in it.
Pardon?
I said that's a big wind.
Pardon?
I said, what are you reading, Iggy? It must be pretty interesting.
Oh, it is. It's called, Animals of the World. The best part is about iguanas.
I'll bet it is. Okay, now, Holly, let's finish this drawing. Oh, what was that?
Something hit the window, I think. Anyway, it's gone now. Huh.
Oh, well, back to work. Oh.
Look! Up there!
There's something there. It's a bird.
A bird? Well, get it in, quick.
Oh, dear, it must be hurt.
Bring it in, hurry. Be careful, Holly.
Oh.
Is it all right?
I don't know. Its eyes are shut.
Oh.
It must just be all tired out.
Oh, put it down here on the counter.
Oh.
Careful.
Poor little thing.
Oh.
Oh, it's so cold. Oh, I'm going to go and get some blankets to warm it up.
Hurry. Oh, don't worry. You're safe now. You'll be all right.
Boy, it's really windy outside today. I almost got all my feathers blown off.
Hi, Jacob.
Hi, Holly. Hey, what's the hurry? What's going on?
Oh, poor little thing. Here, Iggy. Okay, now. Now, we'll get you all nice and settled.
Yeah.
We'll put this pillow under your head.
Careful.
There you go. And we'll cover you up with this nice, cozy blanket.
Good idea.
You'll soon warm up.
Hey, what's that?
Oh, you ought to know.
Of course I know. It's a bird. I know all about birds. After all, I am a bird.
It was blown against our window by the wind. It must have bumped its head. Its eyes are shut.
It's a good thing we were here, isn't it, Holly?
Yes, we'll take care of it.
Wow, that wind really is strong.
I wonder where this bird came from.
I'll tell you one thing. It's not from around here. I've never seen a bird like it before.
Well, we'll just have to wait till it wakes up. Meanwhile, I've got work to do. You two can keep an eye on it.
Okay. Boy, Gloria will be disappointed she wasn't here to see this.
Yeah, this is exciting. Wow, when do you think it'll wake up?
Well, soon, I hope. Wake up, Jacob.
Huh?
We're supposed to be keeping an eye on the bird.
Oh, yeah. Sorry.
Oh, hey, look. It's moving. You woke it up. Get ready.
Mais qu'est-ce qui s'est passé? Où suis-je? Mais qu'est-ce que c'est que cet endroit?
Excuse me?
Hein?
You scared her.
But she scared me.
What happened?
She woke up, took one look at Iggy, and fainted again.
Oh, I never said I was beautiful, but I'm not that bad.
Oh, well, I'm sure it was just the shock. Are you sure she's a she?
Yes, you could tell.
Well, did she say anything?
She said a lot of things.
We didn't understand any of it, though.
No.
Well, when she wakes up again, call me.
Okay.
This time, I'll talk to her.
awake again.
Hide your face, Iggy, quick.
Oh.
Oh, mais c'était pas un rêve? Mais quel est cet endroit si charmant et étrange?
Hi. Are you feeling better?
Better? Feeling better? Le bird, he speaks English?
Hi, I'm Iggy.
Iggy. This one, he is a bird?
No, I'm a lizard. He's a bird.
Holly, she's up.
Good. How are you feeling?
Quoi?
What did you say?
Told you.
Qu'est-ce qu'il a dit?
Oh, my goodness, I don't believe it.
Believe what?
Are you from Quebec?
Quebec? Oh, oui, but of course, Quebec. Is this not Gaspe in Quebec?
Gaspe?
Oui.
No, you're a long way from there.
Where's Gaspe? What's going on?
Why does she talk like that?
Because she's from Quebec, all the way from Gaspe in Quebec. That's by the Atlantic Ocean. She lives by the sea.
Oh, oui, the sea.
But what? How?
What are you doing here?
Oh, it was terrible. I was in a giant storm.
Oh, my, she was caught in a storm.
Oh, we caught in the storm and the wind. Oh, it blow and blow. Oh, I tried to fly, but I am so tired. I don't know what to do. And then I fall and fall. Oh, and then the wind, it blows some more, and then boink, I crash into your window, and you, thank heavens, you find me, and you bring me in here.
She got caught in the same storm we had, right?
Right, and it blew her all the way here.
Oh, I didn't know that could happen.
Oh, yeah. I had an uncle who got blown right over the North Pole once.
No kidding. Hey, I just thought of something.
Oh, boy. A real French-Canadian bird. I never met a French-Canadian bird before. Tell her welcome to Spring Street.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Merci.
Look. Here she is. She's a seabird that lives along the Atlantic Ocean right near Gaspe. Oh, she likes fish.
Fish? Ah, ça c'est bon. I like fish very much.
A seabird? Wow. What's your name? I'm Iggy.
No, you're not. I'm Iggy.
Oh, yeah, forget that. I'm Jacob.
I'm Iggy.
Quoi?
This is Jacob, and this is Iggy. My name is Holly.
Oh, Jacob, Iggy, and Holly. Eh bien, moi, je m'appelle, my name is Marie-Claude.
Marie-Claude. What a French name.
Thank you 1,000,000 times. You have saved my life. Thank you, merci.
You're welcome.
Me too, you're welcome.
You must be hungry. Oh, and you could use some dry clothes, too.
I'll get some food. Here I go.
And I'll get you some of Gloria's clothes.
We'll have you all fixed up in no time, Marie-Claude.
Ah, thank you 1,000,000 times, Holly. Merci.
You look very, how do you say nice, Holly?
Oh, Belle.
Okay. You look very belle.
Ah, merci, Iggy.
Hi, everybody. Boy, what a blowy day.
Hi.
Hi, Iggy.
Oh, pardon?
I said... Who's that?
Oh, hello.
She's wearing my hat and my scarf.
Yeah, don't they look great?
But who said she could have them?
Well, we knew you wouldn't mind. Marie-Claude got blown here all the way from Gaspe in Quebec. Her clothes were all wet.
But That's my favorite hat and scarf.
Oh, Gloria, if the wind blew you over to Gaspe in Quebec, Marie-Claude would give you her clothes.
Gophers don't get blown around. And she wouldn't give me her favorites.
Well, why don't you choose some others for her to wear?
They're all my favorites.
Oh.
What's the matter with her?
Elle est fâchée à cause de moi?
Is she angry because of you?
Oui.
Well, a little, I guess.
Oh, that is terrible. Oh, pardon. How does she call herself?
Oh, Gloria.
Gloria. Oh, Gloria. Gloria. Here, I am coming. Gloria. Gloria.
Uh-oh.
Oh, I wonder how it's going down there.
Oh, me too.
It's heavy. I'm back with the food. Where's Marie-Claude?
Down in Gloria's burrow.
What? What's happening?
Oh, I don't know. Wait, here they come.
Oh, what a charming place you have here.
Thank you. This is the way up. There. Look what she gave me. A fisherman's hat.
Wow.
Never had a real fisherman's hat before.
Are you happy? Es-tu contente?
Yes, I am. Thank you very much. Oh, I'm sorry. I was very silly before about my hat and my scarf.
Oh, don't think about that.
Anybody hungry?
I
am. Marie-Claude, I've been thinking, why don't you stay with us for a visit?
Wow, yeah, you mean overnight?
Ooh.
Well, what do you think?
Well, for a visit? Oh, that would be exciting. Oh, oui, d'accord.
Yay!
Okay, well, how about that snack?
Yeah.